Hello, I'm Danish, General Manager. Let's say it, tangle cable and slow power band is a hassle. That's why we create Power Barrett X5. Our value proposition is simple. Through convenience, we are the first student-focused power band to integrate retractable USB-C and lightning cable directly into chassis. Plus, with 30-watt power delivery. We don't just phone. We also just laptop. We also add a smart LCD dashboard for safety monitoring and SOS flashlight for emergency. Is the only tool a student need.
I'm Taufik, the marketing manager. Who is this for? Our target is UTM community, specifically engineering and ICT students who carry multiple devices and need reliable power all day. We also targeting field engineers in Malacca's industrial zones who need rugged equipment and outdoor enthusiasts like hikers who need that emergency flashlight feature. If you are mobile and busy, this is for you.
Hello, I am Huzaifi, Marketing Executive. How do we reach them? We are adopting a direct-to-consumer strategy. Our mention channel are our official TikTok shop and Shopee store for easy online ordering. Physically, we will set up pop-up booth right here at UTM Student Center and FPTT foyer during exam week, where students can touch and try to retractable mechanism themselves.
I'm Safwan, HR at FP. We don't just sell a product, we build trust. We offer a 1-year student warranty with a hassle-free 1-to-1 exchange policy. We also engage our community through social media, posting charging tips and using posts to let students vote on future colors. We want our customers to feel supported along after their purchase.
I'm Hasif, the financial manager. Our revenue model is straightforward. Our primary income comes from product sales of the Power Barrett X5, priced competitively at 139 Malaysian ringgit. Moving forward, we plan to introduce a secondary stream through after-sales services, offering affordable battery replacements and repairs to extend the product lifespan.
I'm Irshad, the technical manager. So to make this happen, our most critical asset is our intellectual property, specifically the CAD designs for the retractable module and our custom circuit safety protocols. We also rely on our physical assets, including the 3D printers for prototyping and testing equipment to ensure every unit delivers a stable 30-watt output.
Okay, so I'm Akmal and I'm the engineer for this team. Our day-to-day focus on product development. We do reverse testing of the battery cells and refining the cable mechanism to ensure durability. We also focus on marketing, content creation, filming viral TikToks video that demonstrate the snapback cable to feature to drive traffic to our store.
I'm Rarudin, Operation Manager. We cannot do this alone. Our key partners include component suppliers for high-grade light polymer cells and UTM, which provide us with mentorship and venue support. We also partner with JNT and Poslaju to ensure fast, reliable delivery to our customer across Malaysia.
Hello, I'm Adam, production engineer. Finally, our cost. Our biggest expenses are variable costs, the raw materials like batteries and PCBs. We also have fixed costs for equipment and marketing. By keeping our assembly lean, we keep prices affordable for students. Barrett Works Enterprise is ready to power your day, hassle-free. Thank you.
Thank you. Support Power Barrett. Bye.